I just got here these two boxes. There, I'm gonna add up now on the MUX. Wish me luck on that one, because I have no idea what I'm doing, but that's how you learn, I guess. So first things first, gonna have to take some parts off the MUX, give it a good wash. So first things first, gonna have to remove these dash plates here. One part is out. I'm sweating already. Hey Molly, I'm sweating beautiful. Everything's on the floor. This is we're gonna get there. We're gonna find a way. We'll find a way. Yeah, this part is done. Now what I'll do, I'll give this a good wash, because look at all the mud. There it's underneath. It's inside. Just give it a good wash, take all this mud here. Yeah. Cut my toe already. Shit. What I gotta do, it's understand how I'm gonna put them all up without stuffing anything. Yeah, and got this help. Mars, you gonna help? Of course you're gonna help. See how it's gonna go. Ooh, yeah. So now, this is where the real battle begins. Understanding, I've been watching a YouTube video. On the video, looks simple. I'm sweating like a pig already, man. 2 screws already up. 20 to go. And shit you not, it took me kind of almost 40 minutes. Whew. To tie up 2 screws. But you know what? They're halfway through. Now we just gotta do all the rest, yeah, which is everything else. Under the car to show you what took me so long. You guys see, I had to put these metal plates inside the chassis to be able to tighten up these 2 screws. It's coming along well, guys. Look, got 2 plates set up already. Just need to put the front plate and she'll be ready. Jeez, gotta lower the car because the jack is just right on the way to install the last plate. Ay. 20 past 1. Took me just over 2 hours to get this done. But I'm happy with the result. I'm happy with the result. And Molly's happy too. Molly's happy too. Good girl. Yeah, I'm really happy with the looks of it.